Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your username on SoundCloud. First of all, you can open the SoundCloud application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the library option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here now you can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply tap on the pencil icon that is below to your name at the top left side of the screen. Tap on pencil icon, and here you can now tap on your display name. You can just simply delete the first display name and enter a new name. And this is the way you can change your username on SoundCloud, because the display name is also a username of your SoundCloud profile. And after this, you can now tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.